In this video, I'm going to show how to see hidden videos on YouTube channel. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, we point out that you can make this process on your phone, but I will show you the process on computer because I think that is the easiest option to make this. So come right here and search and see unlisted videos YouTube. You will see this website right here. Come on the website, okay? Make the captcha. You will come to this page right here, and by here, you just need to put the YouTuber that you want to see the hidden video. In my case, I will put Mr. Beast, and here you can see our listed videos that Mr. Beast have. So right here, I can click on this video, okay? And you can see that this is a live stream, okay? And it is not more available. So you just need to find a video that is available. So for example, this one, and you can see that this video is unlisted, okay? Just the person that have this video can watch the video, okay? I hope I help you how to see hidden videos on YouTube channel. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive Ad's footsteps.